Hi students, how are you all? I am Jairam Reddy, back with another session. Hope you are doing well. Because of the dreadful viruses widespread, our schools may not be opened in the month of August. It may be September 5th. Up to that, you should engage your time by watching my video lessons, English video lessons. This is the session for 7th class students. Already we have completed the reading passage, the town mouse and the country mouse. I told you to find time to go through the reading passages repeatedly. Watch my video also repeatedly. Thus you can get command on the reading passage. You can answer any question on your own. Shall we step into the grammar topic now? Be on page number 9, all of you. We have given a few sentences and we are asked to read them. You see what we have given. It is always quiet in the country. Sometimes it is quieter than today. My grandfather says that our village is the quietest among all the villages in our district. 3 words are underlined: quiet, quieter, the quietest. What are the 3 words? They are none other than the adjectives. How can we define an adjective? What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that says more about a noun or it describes about a noun. Here, quiet, it describes about the country. The given 3 underlined adjectives, they are in 3 forms. What are they? You know, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. The first one is positive degree. Here we have given a brief description even. The underlined words are adjectives. A while ago I told you. But they are in different degrees of comparison. 3 words are not the same. They are different. They are different in degrees of comparison. The first one is in positive. It is always quiet in the country. In this sentence, the word quiet it is used to describe about a particular noun, country. So we use an adjective to describe a place or to describe a person or to describe a thing or to describe an animal even. One thing, if you describe a thing by using an adjective, it is a positive degree. For example, he is smart. It is green. It is a black dog. So here in 3 sentences, we used 3 different adjectives to describe 3 different things, animals and places. So when we describe about a particular place or particular thing or animal or a person by using an adjective, it is called positive degree. We describe in a positive form. We say more we describe it. We say many things about a place, many things about an animal, many things about a person or many things about an article, a thing, nothing but. So when we describe about one thing, we use an adjective that is positive degree. Sometimes it is quieter than today. So the country is comparing with some other day. Quieter. By adding er, you made its another form. We formed some other degree by adding er. So it is a comparative degree. What we are doing here, we are comparing country, how it is, we are comparing with today and some other day. So 2 days are comparing. When we compare 2 things, we use another form of degree, that is a comparative degree. Comparative. That word itself says that there is scope to compare. You can compare two places. You can compare two things. You can compare two animals. You can compare two people, two children, two articles. Any things you can compare. So to compare, how many things do we need? We need two things. When we have two things, we can compare by using some other form of the degree. We are changing the form of an adjective into comparative. What we did here, we added er to the same adjective, quite, quieter. So it is a comparative degree. My grandfather says that our village is the quietest among all the villages in our district. See, in his district there were many villages. Among group of villages, whose village has the highest degree? I mean, which village is the quietest village? His village. So the quietest, it is a superlative degree. Quiet, quieter, quietest. We added er to make its comparative form, and we added est to make its superlative form. Moreover, it is necessary using the before superlative degree form of the adjective. It is compulsory. The quietest. There are many villages in his district. Among all the villages, his village is the quietest. So a group of villages are taken, and among the group of villages, we have mentioned the quietest village, that is his village. So a group of things or group of people, group of articles or group of places you can take, and among them the highest value or the lowest value sometimes, if you take, it is described in the form of superlative degree. Never forget using article before the superlative degree. So this is degrees of comparison. Adjectives, they have three forms. First one is positive, second one is comparative, third one is superlative degree. Based on this knowledge, we have given a list of adjectives on page number 9, and you are asked to change them into comparative and superlative degrees. You have given all positive degrees, and you are asked to write their comparative degrees and superlative degrees. Very simple. I told you, to make a comparative degree, you should add er to the given adjective, and you should add est to the given adjective to make its superlative degree. Right? Let us see. First one is done for you. It is an example. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree, like we have given a table form on page number 9. The first one is done for you, dark, D-A-R-K, dark. It is an adjective. So to make its comparative degree, we should add er, darker, and we should add est to make its superlative degree, darkest. Right? In the same, we have given small. What is the comparative degree? Just add er, small, smaller, smallest, like that. Rich, rich also another adjective. Just add er to make its comparative degree, so richer. Then add est to make its superlative degree, richest. Safe, this is one more adjective. Add er to the safe, so that you will get safer comparative degree and safest superlative degree. Like that, clever, CLEVER. Already here we have ear. Don't forget, you should add one more ear. Clever, cleverer, and cleverest. Like that, tall, taller, tallest. Bright, brighter, brightest. This is the way you should make comparative and superlative degree. One thing, if you are able to use all the three degrees in the form of sentences on your own, then you can get some command on it. You see, small, take the word small and you try to build a sentence on your own. Ours is a small house. My neighbor's is smaller than our house. The house which is end of the street, that is the smallest house in our street. Thus, like that, rich. He is a rich man. My uncle is richer than him. Ambani is the richest person in India. Safe. Use the remaining adjective also in the form of sentences on your own. Then try to write all sentences. Then be on page number 10. Here we have given a note, very important note. Words with two or more than two syllables. You see, small, it is a word which has single syllable. Syllables are very important to know the spellings or to learn the spellings. You see, rich. This is also single syllable word. The remain all. There are some words in English which have more than one syllable or more than two syllables. So such kind of words you should not add er or est to make their positive and comparative degrees. We have given some exemption what we should do for the words like beautiful. For example, beautiful, it is an adjective beautiful. You should not add er to make it comparative, not beautifuler or not beautifulest. So beautiful, it is an adjective which has more than two syllables. Beautiful, like that. Useful, two syllables are there. Interested, three syllables are there. Doubtful, two syllables. Precious, three syllables. Delicious, three syllables. Dreadful, three syllables. Cheerful, two syllables. So the words which have more than one syllable, for them we have an exemption not to go for adding er and est. For example, first one is done for you. Useful. Useful is an adjective. Its a comparative form is more useful and superlative degree form is most useful. Useful, more useful and most useful. Like that. Beautiful. She is beautiful. Kajal is a beautiful heroine. Tamanna is more beautiful than Kajal. Aishwarya Rai is the most beautiful heroine in India. In such, you can use adjectives which have more than one syllable, which have two or more than. Beautiful, its comparative degree form is more beautiful. What we are doing? We are adding mo or more before the word to make its comparative degree and most to make its superlative degree. Right. This is the note what we have given. Words with two or more than two syllables. A while ago I wrote some adjectives. They are all having single syllable words. These are the words having more than one syllable. Some words having two syllables and some are three syllables. For example, beautiful. Beautiful. Three syllables are there. Here we have three syllables. So such kind of words which have more than two syllables, more than one syllable even. To make its comparative degree, we are asked to use mo or more before the given adjective. Like that, mo is the most to make its superlative degree. Thus, beautiful, its comparative degree is more beautiful and its superlative degree is most beautiful. Like that, interested, it is an interested story. This is a small sentence which I used this adjective. It is a story that is very interested, nothing but. So it has more than one syllable, and to make its a comparative degree, the same process we should use more before interested to make its a comparative degree. So more interested, like that. Most to make its a superlative degree, most interested. Doubtful, this is another adjective which has more than two syllables. Same process, add more to make its a comparative degree, more doubtful, and most to make its superlative degree, most doubtful. Like that, we have some other adjectives are listed on page number 10. You should try to make their positive and comparative and superlative degrees on your own. There are some words that can change completely in other degrees, not adding er, est, or not adding more or most before comparative and superlative degrees. Three words are differ. For example, much, more, most. This is irregular adjective. Like that, good, not gooder, goodest. Good, its comparative degree is better, and its superlative degree is best, the best, nothing but. Like that, bad, worse, worst. Fur, further, furthest. These are the four adjectives that we have given that are irregular adjectives. It means they do not follow either first rule or second rule, not adding er or est, or not placing more or most before the adjectives to make their comparative and superlative degrees. This is the way we have given about adjectives and their 3 degrees of comparison. How to form comparative and superlative degrees for the adjectives ending with y? It's very easy. Y changes into I, then add er to make its comparative form and est to make its superlative form. Let us have some examples. Dirty. Dirty is an adjective ending with y. Y changes into I, then adding er to make its comparative form. So dirtier, dir, tier. Thus dirtiest, dir, tiest. Then pretty is another adjective ending with y. Prettier, prettiest. Gloomy, some other adjective ending with y. Gloomier, gloomiest. Happy, also ending with y. Its comparative form is happier and superlative form is happiest. Thus, all the adjectives ending with y do follow the same rule to make its comparative and superlative forms. Right, students, have time to have an assignment based on the topic that we have discussed about degrees of comparison. 3 ways we made comparative and superlative degrees of some adjectives. First type, adding er and est. Second type, placing more and most before the adjective to make their comparative and superlative respectively. And the last one, 3 different forms. Second and third are completely differ from the given positive degree. Follow the same rules. Here I have given a list of adjectives: sweet, great, fast, large. Write their comparative degrees as well as superlative degrees. Then comfortable, tempered, affectionate. These are the adjectives which have more than one syllable. What you should do? Just revise the lesson. Thus you can write their comparative and superlative degrees. Then last form, last adjective, little. Its comparative and superlative degrees are quite differ. 3 are differ. It's a irregular adjective. You think about little so that you can write their comparative and superlative degrees. So this is the assignment based on degrees of comparison. Watch the video repeatedly, thus you can get comment on the given grammar point. Thanks for watching. I will come back with another session.